So we're now going to focus on the side porch. We redid the base. We still have to close this bottom in, and it has to be something that water can splash against it. But now we're going to focus on closing in. The squirrels are going up the side and right into there, and I think they're going into the house too from here. Not positive, but I have a hunch they are. And this definitely is very weak. I had to put this support up because otherwise the whole thing is basically collapsing. You can see how this whole corner had dropped down. Now I've jacked it up. You can see where it was crushing the wood. And over there's basically not even wood anymore. So I'm not sure if the roof is high enough yet, but it's supported now. So we're going to remove this header around here gently. Leave these in place. We don't want this to tip over or anything. Mend that one. Put a new top plate on and then a new header. And make sure the roof is higher than we needed, if anything. So right now we need to tear out, and then we'll have to mold these all back in. We have to remove the round molding, and we'll have to put that back on. Fortunately, I think we can save, we don't have to disturb this. And that's huge. That's going to be a huge thing. I can replace this a lot faster than removing all that stuff. So that's what we're working on now. Time to start ripping it out. And there's a lot of dust in it too, so I'm going to be wearing a mask.